Bismillah. Castor oil by itself can do some amazing things for your body, and today we're going to go over how you can use castor oil with baking soda to heal up 6 different illnesses within 24 hours. Castor oil is a very powerful oil and has been used for many different kinds of sicknesses and illnesses. And you can go and watch my video here that I did, over 50 castor oil secrets that only your grandmother knew. In this video, we cover all kinds of things that castor oil can do to help your body. And if you read the comments, you'll see how many people have commented of how castor oil has helped them with so many different ailments. Now, before we get into what you can use it for, I want to cover that castor oil may give an allergic reaction to some of you. So it's best to do a little test, leave it there for 24 hours and see if you had any redness or soreness by the next day to make sure you're not allergic to it. And you want to make sure you're using the best castor oil that you can find, which would be organic. Make sure there's no chemicals in it. And if it's in a glass bottle stored would be best. I'll leave some links of some castor oils that I recommend here if you can't find any. Now we're going to be talking about how to use castor oil on different applications outside of the body, but you can also take castor oil internally. If you're curious about how to do that, you can watch my video here on Are You Drinking Castor Oil? And it'll tell you how to drink it the right way. A very popular one that this works very well for is warts and skin tags. Warts and skin tags can be quite bothersome, but you can get them removed quite easily by using a solution with baking soda and castor oil. Mix about 1/4 teaspoon of castor oil with 1/4 teaspoon of the baking soda until it forms a paste. If it's too dry, add a little bit more castor oil. Put the mixture right on the wart and around the area, and then cover it with a bandage and leave this on overnight. By morning, many people notice that it's fallen off and gone. There's even been several studies showing how castor oil with baking soda has helped to remove skin warts very well by applying this mixture of castor oil and baking soda. So don't give up. This works really well to get rid of all kinds of warts. Number 2, you can use castor oil to get rid of fungus, such as toenail fungus or athlete's foot or similar fungus that would be on the outside of the body. Castor oil can help promote wound healing and is also an antifungal. It's also anti-inflammatory and has a lot of antioxidants, so all of these benefits will help in relieving a fungus infection. How you would use it, you would apply 1 tablespoon of the castor oil with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Mix this up first, make it like a paste, and then you will put this on the infected area and leave it on there for about 30 minutes. And then rinse and dry it off. And you can repeat this every day until it disappears, just once a day. Depending, of course, on the type of fungus that you have, it might take longer than 24 hours, but either way, you will see progress. Please take a minute to subscribe to this video. It will really help this channel to grow. If you have a backache, especially a lower backache, baking soda and castor oil is especially good for this. Mix equal parts of castor oil and baking soda and just apply this mixture to your lower back. You can also use it with a heating pad on top and leave this on for 30 minutes and the pain should go away. Something else really good for using the castor oil is for insect bites such as mosquitoes. You can apply a mixture of the castor oil and baking soda, equal parts, onto your bite, and it will help to relieve any inflammation and pain. You can leave it on for at least 20 minutes and then rinse it off with warm water. Baking soda is also an antifungal and antibacterial, so it's really good at helping with any kind of skin irritation, bug bites, and any kind of rashes. In fact, baking soda is so good for you. I even have done a whole separate video on the amazing benefits of baking soda. Go and watch that here. You will be shocked at all the great things that baking soda can do. Number 5, have you ever thought about using baking soda with castor oil for your skin? Many people report that it can do all kinds of things like remove spots and age spots and change the textures and all these kind of things. But what's really good for is it's good for evening out the texture, making your skin look vibrant and healthy The baking soda helps to scrub off the dead skin cells and encourage new skin cell growth, and also helps the castor oil to penetrate deeper. Castor oil has amazing properties for your skin. So once the baking soda has gotten through the skin barrier and really gotten all the dead skin cells off and awakened the skin, if you want to say, then the castor oil will come in there and help to rejuvenate the skin. Castor oil helps to promote collagen production, and it will help to really moisturize the skin so your skin will have a nicer, even skin tone. It will help with wrinkles and give your skin an overall beautiful, healthy glow. I have done several videos on castor oil for your skin. You can go watch some of these videos here. It's really great for your skin. And an easy way to use it is to mix 1 tablespoon of the castor oil with 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Take the mixture and massage into your skin for about 3 minutes and then rinse off. How often you should do this scrub? Any kind of scrubbing on your face should not be done more than once a week. Number 6 would be for your eyes. Do you know castor oil by itself is amazing for your eyes? And I've done a whole video on that as well, of how castor oil can help with your eyes. Go and watch that over here. But for a simple recipe for castor oil with baking soda is for any kind of eye irritation. You would mix 1 tablespoon of castor oil with a half a teaspoon of baking soda, and you would apply this on top of the eyelid. You just rub it on gently and let it sit there for about 20 minutes, and then you can rinse it off with water. Make sure you don't get in your eyes, just on top. This helps to soothe any kind of irritation on the eyes. You also could apply this mixture around the eyes to help to remove dark circles. And for that, you would leave it on for the same 20 minutes and rinse off. There are so many things you can do with castor oil. I hope you have a bottle in your home and go watch all my videos on it, and you'll be using it right away because it can do so many great things for your body. Alright, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.